on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I literally just got done planning out my route. Got about 7 or 8 locations I need to hit up today. It's already after 9, so I definitely gotta hustle a little bit and make up some time. I've got a little bit of product still left over from the other day, but I'm definitely gonna have to go to Sam's Club and stock up on some more, because I'm trying to fill up the machines a little bit more than I used to be. And also, when you fill the machines more, it's way more passive because you don't have to run around as much. You can let them sit for longer. I'm going to try and do that, and we're going to see how it goes. New year, new me. And yeah, let's see how it does. First things first, I gotta hit up Sam's Club and stock up on some chips. And yeah, see you guys at the first location after Sam's Club. Alright, you guys saw there, $204.56 is what we spent today. I got a lot of chips, so should be filling up the chips a pretty good amount today, which is good. Yeah, let's hit up the first location. Alright, I didn't film a whole lot in that one, but here's what the money looked like. Not too shabby, as the Quick Play dudes would say. Shout out to Quick Play. But on to location 3. Alright, I didn't film in there, but it probably did about, I don't know, 40-50 bucks. Of course, I'll show you guys at the end. But now we're heading to location 4. Alright, I'm about to pull up to location number 4, see how this one does. I'm not expecting a whole lot, but we'll see. Alright, just as I suspected, slower location, slower collection, smaller school. It happens. Location number 4 probably made $25 to $30, if that. But they really like the veggie straws there, so I loaded up the veggie straws. And that was about a 2-week collection. I'll probably push it to a 3-week collection. And yeah, let's check out location number 5. Alright, here's what location number 5 did. Heading to location 6. That was location 6. Then to location 7. 8. This one should do pretty good. Alright, just like that, 8 locations knocked out today. We're gonna head home and count up the money and get you guys the exact totals. Take your guesses down in the comments. I'm gonna guess we did about 350 to 400 range, hopefully. We spent 200 on products, so that would leave us at about 150 to $200 profit, which I'm happy with. So see you guys when I get home. Alright, location number 1 made $35.45 after 2 weeks. Alright, location number 2 made $62.80 after 2 weeks. Location number 3 made $52.95, and that's after 2 weeks. Location 4 only made $26.60. I knew this was going to be a slower collection from this one, but I'm pushing it to a 3-week to even a month probably. Alright, location 5 did $56.20 after 2 weeks. Location 6 did $58.95 after 2 weeks. Location number 7 did $52 after 2 weeks. Alright, the last location, location 8, did $68.75 after 2 weeks. Now we're going to add it all up and see how much we made today. By the way, Alyssa has been counting all the money to all these collections right now. I'm actually editing the video, as you guys can see. That's going to go live here in like an hour, so I'm just rushing to get this done, and she's helping me film the last part of the video right now. Alright, today for a grand total, we made $413. Stack's looking pretty nice. Got 100 in quarters. And yeah, 413 off of 8 locations today. To find the average, divide that by 8. $51 average. One of the locations brought it way down, but still over $50. Super hyped with that. And yeah, pretty solid collection for today. Big shout out to Alyssa for helping me count the money while I'm editing this video. And thank you guys so much as always for watching. We love you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.